Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about a love Lometh girl name spell. We would like to tell you that this spell is only for genuine lovers and for boys or men who want to make sure that their partner should come to you, especially the girl partner should come to them and confess their true feelings to them. If you really want that a particular girl or a particular target person should come to you, should confess her feelings to you, then you can use this powerful spell. In this spell, dear brothers, you are going to use a white color flower which is there on your screen right now. Any flower which is white in color will do your work. Second thing which you need to keep in your mind, this flower must have 5 petals. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 petals are required. You have minimum of 5 petals must have the 5, this flower. Second thing, this flower spell, why we use flower? Because flowers have got this special fragrance, and moreover these are considered as the sexual organs of a plant as well. So whenever you need a special spell which can help you to get your desired love without doing anything, then you can use this powerful spell to get your love back immediately. You just need to follow the rules and precautions which I am going to tell you right now. Before telling you all these things, I would request all of you that this spell will be working only on one girl. For example, we have seen people have tried on one girl, they got the results. Now they saying that they want to try on the another girl. It is not possible. You need to make sure that you are trying on your genuine lover, on your wife, on your girlfriend, on your neighbor, on your employee, on your colleague, even on your boss or on your relative. So if you are doing it, do it with positive intentions that you want to have a good, healthy relationship with her. Marriage is not compulsory, but dignity, respect and love of the girl or a woman should not be sacrificed. You have to follow all these things in your life. First of all, what you are going to do with a black color marker on these 5 petals, you are going to write down the first 5 alphabets. For example, the name is, let me put it like this. So for example, the name is just Ria. It's a 4 alphabet name. You will write R here. Remember friends, while doing this spell, the petals should not be broken or they should not come out of this rose flower. The 5th one you can leave empty. Sometimes the name are of 6 alphabets, sometimes the name are of 10 alphabets. So the first 5 alphabets are required. Even if it is 4 or 3 alphabet, then you are going to write like this. The first 4 or 5 alphabets are required. Now once you have done this, pay attention to this step because it's a vital one. Now what you are going to do, you are going to hold this flower like this, that is upward direction, and the spell which is going there in front of your screen right now, you are going to read it. like this, right? Kalyatini, Maltayini, Ratyatini. Right here, dash 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 would be name would be coming. I'm chanting this spell one more time. Kalyatini, Maltayini, Ratyatini. That is Riya would come here. Kalyatini, Maltayini, Riya, Ratyatini. Once you have done this, you are going to touch this flower with your throat 11 times after chanting this spell, then with your heart 11 times, then with your belly button, and at last with your private part 11 times. So in total 41 times you are going to touch this flower, and this flower you need to hold it like this. If you are going to hold it like this, in between you do it like this, you do it like this, you do it like this spell won't work. Make sure you are holding it like this. And once you have done it, you will put this flower under your pillow while sleeping. For 11 days you need to sleep. This flower should be under your pillow for 11 days, and before going to bed there has to be a routine. The routine would be like this, that you are going to kiss this flower every time whenever you go to sleep. Whenever you are on your bed, you will kiss on this flower and will ask your partner, will ask your lover. This flower will make your partner, will make your lover to come to you immediately, and you will never ever gonna face any other problems. If you need any help, or if you have any doubt, or if you have any personal issues, then you please feel free to ask us by calling on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Take care.